I'm here with Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, latest flagship device of this year. So I'm going to unbox this device today only for you. India SimSim. Wow. Epic design of this phone. Color is phantom black. Epic camera. Epic display. So this phone is really so epic. Epic camera. 120 Hz refresh rate of display. So fast. 5nm display. So it's really so epic and so come fast. Don't miss to pre-book the device and get benefits up to 20,000 rupees. Galaxy S21 Ultra. So I'm leaving now.